Imagine using your phone, and without your knowledge, someone else is accessing your camera. Sounds impossible? But cyber attacks are becoming more common than ever. So how can you tell if your phone camera has been hacked?
Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something every smartphone user should know. How to tell if your phone camera has been hacked. Stay until the end because some signs may surprise you.
The first sign is your camera indicator appearing unexpectedly. If your camera seems active when you are not using it, pay attention. It doesn't always mean hacking, but don't ignore it. Fast battery drain. If your battery is draining much faster than normal and your phone feels unusually warm, an app may be using your camera or running processes in the background. Strange apps or permissions. Check your app permissions. If random apps have camera access without a clear reason, remove them immediately. Only allow trusted apps to access your camera. If your phone becomes slow, shows unusual pop-ups, or the camera opens unexpectedly, scan your device and install updates. How to protect yourself. Keep your phone updated, use strong passwords, avoid opening unknown links, review app permissions regularly, download apps only from official app stores. Cybersecurity starts with small habits. So what do you think? Have you ever noticed strange activity on your phone? Comment below and let me know. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology videos.